Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In this video, I will be going over how to claim moving expenses. Under Deductions, we want to click on Additional Deductions and Other Deduction Profile. For where it says, Did you have moving expenses or unclaimed moving expenses for the prior year, select Yes. You can now click on Next to navigate to the moving expense page. A new heading will then appear under the Other Deduction Profile that says, Moving Expense Profile. You will be prompted to answer two questions. Do you have unused moving expenses from 2021? And, did you move to start a new job or business or to study full-time? If your answer to the second question is, yes, two fields will appear where you need to provide the distance between your old and new house to your place of study or work. If the distance is greater than 40 kilometers, you can proceed to the next step, which is entering the expenses you want to claim. On the Moving Expenses page, you will enter the address of your new and old address as well as that of your new business or place of work. You want to select your reason for the move from the drop-down menu. After this, you will enter the date at which you moved and the date in which you started your new job or studies in the respective fields. You will then need to state if you are using the simplified method or detailed method from the drop-down menu. Selecting either one of these options will bring up the necessary fields that you will have to fill out. After filling out these fields, you can now click on Next and continue filling out your return as normal. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.